So let's run through how to charge the batteries with a charger that has Alligator clips. We provide you with a basic charger, but you can ask us to upgrade to a Century charger which has more power and will charge your batteries quicker. So with the Alligator clips you get two, one is black and one is red. So this particular trailer has two batteries, so when we're charging with the Alligator clips we need to come across one clip on one and one clip on the other. So in this case it's been installed with the red to the front, so we get the red Alligator clip and clip that onto the wing nut. Then the black one goes onto the other battery, but it's actually the blue side of the battery, and we clip that on. And that's nice and secure. And now we plug our charger into 240 power, and the charger itself will start cycling through the charge process. We have a very extensive video that we shot with Century battery team member, and that explains all the things you need to know about charging your battery and also keeping your battery nicely maintained. So we'll link you to that video down below. So let's run through what the purpose of the Anderson plug is on the drawbar. It has two purposes. One, it will plug into your car if you have had an Anderson plug installed, and if that's the case, then while you're driving, the batteries will charge. The other thing you can do with this is, we've got our Century battery charger here. So what we can do is, instead of plugging the Alligator clips to the rear of the trailer where the batteries are, you can plug this straight into here. So that's together now. That's now connected to the charger, and now we connect the charger to 240. So that's doing it all for you. You don't have to worry about using the Alligator clips. So here we have a solar panel, and the solar panel has an Anderson plug on the end of it, and then the trailer comes standard with the Anderson plug that you would normally plug into the back of the car to charge it while you're driving. But in this case, we're going to use this Anderson plug connection here, and we're going to plug that into our solar panel, move this around into the sun. Now you're charging your batteries with the solar panel.